Grabe, pinatutunayan lang ng Pilipino yung claim ko na pag nagbigay ka ng isang possible solution, instead of actually doing something about that solution, try to know more about it, they are going to put up multiple excuses kung bakit hindi mo siya pwedeng gawin at magfe-fail ka lang doon sa gusto mong mangyari. They always stop themselves at the failure level because after ng failure, they are not asking more question as to how the failure happened. They are not extracting the lessons from the failure. They are literally avoiding the failure because it does not feel good. Nababasag yung ego nila. Di ba? And after mabasag ng ego nila, marirealize nila that they need to work on themselves. And ayaw ng Pilipino yung ganun. Ayaw ng Pilipino na ini-improve niya yung sarili niya because for the mindset of the Filipino, ang dapat may gawin is yung ibang tao, yung ibang grupo, kapamilya ko, kaibigan ko, gobyerno, para maging komportable ang buhay ko. Perfect. Balik tayo dun sa baboy. Okay, that's very good. Napansin mo na native baboy lang yung pwedeng kumain nun. Now, you can compare different breeds as to what is the cost nung pagpapalaki nila para mai-compare mo doon sa kita na papasok sa'yo. Oh, once you've done that, that's going to be an improvement for you. Kasi hindi ka na pumipili nung breed at nung feeds at ng vitamins na kung saan mas mamahal or mas maliit yung kita mo. Oh, what's wrong with that? Sige nga, what's wrong with actually going with that kind of topic? Ang hirap kasi sa inyo. Pag nagbigay ng isang solusyon hindi pwedeng mangyari yan kasi ganito eh. You are misconstruing or turning my argument into a straw man, yung pinakamadaling basagin or pinakamahinang form ng argument ko kasi nga gusto nyo lang manalo. You do not want to explore the truth. You just want to win and feel dominant over doon sa kaargumento nyo. And dahil dyan, walang benefit yung argumento sa inyo because wala nga kayong natututunang bago dahil kayo lang mismo ang magagaling dyan sa grupo or sa mindset na meron kayo. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.